say rip me, right? And you know that's how we do. Hey, Andre kinda did this, right? And Deuce Trey kinda did this,
that's right.
Right, and Paseo done did this, right? And when we hit him,
Hey everybody, James Dixon here, and welcome to Paseo PDX, the Portland Parks Foundation's Arts Festival and Mutual Aid Funding Drive. Thank you to our lead sponsor PGE, along with the Miller Foundation and the Standard, and 40 other contributors. We really wanted you all to be here with us, but because of COVID, couldn't make it, had to revisit. We're doing it virtual. Thanks so much for joining us today. In a minute, we'll experience the sounds of Amenta Abioto, also known as Yawa Amenta. She is a singer, songwriter, producer, and performance artist who builds vocal and instrumental loops from kalimba, synthesizer, drum machine, and guitar, creating atmospheric textures and mind-bending ideas, skipping vocally from soul-shaking gospel to smooth jazz. That sounds amazing, right? Amenta joins us in honoring Snack Bloc, which is a community resource providing support for rallies, protests, community events, and vigils in the greater Portland area. Through their extensive mutual aid network, their outreach includes food assistance, street medic care, houseless advocacy, and more. To benefit Snack Bloc and 13 other mutual aid groups, Paseo PDX's lead sponsor, PGE, and the Portland Parks Foundation are making a $4,000 challenge to the community. So let's double that, triple that, quadruple that. Any contribution, no matter how small, qualifies you for drawing some of our most coolest prizes. So check out paseopdx.org/challenge. And now, here is Amenta Yawa.
Hello, everybody. My name is Yawa, formerly Amenta Abioto. And yeah, I'm so grateful to be here. I just want to thank Portland Parks Foundation for hosting Paseo. Please join me in supporting Snack Bloc and the other mutual aid groups that have supported us today. Really grateful to be here. I am a Black woman in America. And I am wearing Black clothes as well. Yes, I have a one earring on. And yes, I think I look pretty good. So we just gonna have a little fun tonight, or today, rather, yes, have a little fun today. I'm just grateful to be here, and we're gonna get it started. My first song is called Revolution. And that is what it's about. It's about revolution and radical change, radical minds, radical thoughts and hearts. So yeah, I'm gonna slide into this. Hey. See, yeah, this what happens from time to time. I get off my timing, so be patient. Patience is key. But yeah, patience is key. Life is about patience. total destruction. I know it's everywhere. When the babies die, when the eagles sigh, yeah, you know it's time. Ay, it's time to take flight. It's time to get high. It's time to take wing. Move on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's time to get high. It's time to ride. When the babies die, when the eagles sigh, when you know it's time, when you know it's time to revolution. I feel it in the air. Total destruction. I feel it everywhere. It's time to take flight. It's time to get high. It's time to take wing. Move on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's time to get high. It's time to rise. It's time to fight a revolution. I feel it in the air. Feel it everywhere. When the babies die. When the eagles sigh. There we go. Got our little revolution, you know. It's seriously time, you know, it's been happening. It's been culminating. So it's time for that little burst through because some crazy things going on, you know. Yeah, we just have to be aware and really look at history, remember the things, always remember the struggle of people here in this place, indigenous people, black people, everybody suffers from injustice, even when they're the ones doing the injustice. So yeah, we are here, we are alive, and we have work to do. So yeah, this next song I'm gonna do a little improv song. I always love my improv, my kalimba. been news, old words will do. I'm waiting for change, already the same. Ooh, 'cause I've been on the longest journey, crying through these willow trees. I pull up to the willow tree. I'll be the one that you want. Pull up to the willow tree. I'll be the one that you call on. Pull up to the willow tree. Pull up to the willow tree. Pull up to the willow tree. I'll be the one that you want. Fall on your ashes. Ooh, changing up these curses. Looking shadow can be hateful. Hey. Lay your head down, lay your burden down, come on walking towards the truth. Got my angels on my ankles, tell the truth. To call on, pull up to the willow tree, pull up to the willow tree, pull up to the willow tree. I'll be the one that you want. There we go. Thank you. Hello, everybody. My name is Yawa. I was previously known as Amenta Abioto, And this song I'm going to be doing is called Kujichagulia, and it means self-determination in Swahili. Yes. Self-determination. Kujichagulia. Self-determination. Now understand what a hard road you've been on. I understand what a hard life you live in. But you have got to, you have got to, you have got to, you have got to. Come on, hey, slide to your left, slide to your left, slide to your left, slide to your left. Groove to the right, groove to the right. Slide to the groove, to the groove, to the right. I mean to shake it on to your back now. Hey, shake it on to the back now. Hey. Through the hard roads, through the trauma. Hey, through the broken, through the wasted. Yes, I'm moving and moving, I'm moving, I'm grooving. Won't stop till I lose it. And I'm moving and I live it and I want it. You got it, you know it, you have it. You rolling, you rolling, you rolling. Cause it's a Kujichagulia, a Kujichagulia. Self-determination, self-determination. Kujichagulia, Kujichagulia. Self-determination, self-determination. Slide to your left, groove to your right. Slide to your left, groove to your right. I said shake it on to your back now. Ooh, shake it on to your back now. Shake it, twerk it, shake it, twerk it, shake it, shake it, work it, work it, work it, work it, work it, work it. You gotta keep moving on. You gotta keep going strong. You gotta. Kujichagulia. Self-determination. Kujichagulia. Self-determination. Oh. Okay, don't worry. Don't stop, don't work to the game. Make it pop, don't stop. Pop, 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 hey. Kujichagulia, Kujichagulia. Self-determination, self-determination. Work to the back, hey. Work to the back, hey. Turk to the left, hey. Turk to the left, turk to the left. Now slide, 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 slide. Groove, 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 groove. Back to the left, to the right, back to the back, to the right, back, 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 back. Work, 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 work. I know what a hard road you've been on. I know what a long journey this has been. Cause you've been living and it's been a struggle. But you keep on living cause you know it's worth it. Hey, Kujichagulia, Kujichagulia. Hey, y'all know what's up. Hey, 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 hey. Through the heartbreak, through the trauma, through the suffering, we keep going. Through the trauma, through the heartbreak, through the storm, through the storm. I know I'm on. Hey, Kujichagulia, Kujichagulia. Self-determination. Self-determination. You gotta keep moving on. You gotta keep going strong. You can cry if you want to. Coochie chocolate, self-determination, self-determination. Coochie chocolate, hey, coochie chocolate, hey, self-determination, self-determination. You gotta keep moving on. You gotta keep going strong. You gotta. Coochie chocolate. Thank you. Yay. Before I forget, everyone, thank you, Portland Parks Foundation, for hosting Paseo and supporting artists and mutual aid groups like the amazing Snack Bloc. Please visit their website where you can make a donation to Snack Blocks and other mutual aid foundations. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bless y'all. Thank you.